F-150 4.6 starter install. Let me tell you, that top boat, no comment. It's a rough boat. I'm covered in sweat. It's 92 degrees, and it's about to come a storm because, you know, weather is crazy nowadays. Before you do anything else, it's time to clean your terminals and stuff. The painted terminals is not the best, but they get the job done. It will be fine. Now, if you followed my video so far, this is part 3 on the F-150 starter install. I'm now going to try to start this up, because if I have an issue, I don't want the wheel back on it. Once it's started, I will then install the wheel. Can you start for me, little F-150? Can you? Oh, that's so much nice. Starter sounds much stronger and smoother. Before, it would always flow crank if you sing it in videos. So definitely was a starter. Now I'm going to get my tools up, undo the jack, get all my safety stands out under it, and we should be done. What's that starter at? Check this starter out. This is the one that came off of it. Has many days of use. I don't think this is a factory starter. It could be. If it did, it's made it almost 200 and some thousand miles on this F-150. A new car can't even make it 200 and some thousand miles anymore. These old cars, the reason Ford put that bolt up there, so you take it to the shop and you can't work on it yourself. This is when Ford was experimenting. They made good shit back in the day, and they's like, you know what, we don't want people fixing their own cars and saving money and being educated. And that's where we at now, because engineers design these not to be fixed, just to go to point A, point B. Over-engineered computer junk is what newer vehicles is. 1997 got a little bit computers, but nothing like new. And I like this little F-150, and it's been a damn good truck. So I'm gonna throw it back together. Hope you enjoyed this. Let me know if you fixed a 4.6 Ford before, and what you think about that upper starter boat. I'm waiting.